Hi kids, welcome to ODP Kids today. Today we are gonna show how to make an umbrella with different color papers. Let's see what we need for this. Now we need some circles just like this made with 9 circles in different colors you can use. It can be same color as well. And then we need another A4 paper and some gum as well. Let's see how this is done today. Now let's take these papers, now fold it like this and then fold it in 4. Right, okay, now we got it folded like this. Now when you do this, you take this and on the center put some gum on this line and then paste it like this. After that you take this side, this line also, about half, just like this. Now you get it pasted on top of this as well. Just like this you have to get all the 9 pieces pasted. Alright, now we have pasted all 9 pieces. Now we take these and keep it on top of each other. Now again take some gum just like before, paste it on top of each other. You keep on pasting all 9 pieces. Now we have pasted all 9 pieces. Now again we'll put some gum on this. Now we have to spread the pieces. Okay, now we are done with that. Now let's take this part and make the handle of the umbrella. Now take this part and roll it more thinner. Put some gum, paste it. Now after putting gum on from this side, you can put this handle onto the umbrella and fix it to the umbrella here from this side. just like that. Right, now like that we can get a very beautiful umbrella done. So now we have taught you how to get an umbrella done using A4 papers to all the people who joined us. So until we come again and meet you, you can stay in touch with us with another craft. We'll meet you again. Until that time, see you.